Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making a vlog on Blizzard Nemo. We're estimating that the New Jersey area is going to get approximately 18 inches of snow, and right now we only have around 3 to 2 inches. It's like 5 o'clock Eastern time. There's basically no one outside unless they're shoveling their property, which not a lot of people are because they're smart enough to wait until tomorrow when it's supposed to get even worse. So yeah, I hope I don't lose power, and please enjoy the following clips of me and my friends being complete freaks during Blizzard Nemo. It's snowing. It's snowing. Let's see.
I feel like I love it over there.
Come on, let's go to the pond. Ow! It hurts my face.
Why are we out? I'm gonna get sick and die. I'm already sick. So much.
We're going to the local pond.
Maddie has breath. I never talked to you.
I am mad.
I thought they said color. You're so awesome. I know.
What the heck? Oh shit. Ah! What?
I didn't know who you were.
I fell. On a snowy adventure. This snow's so deep.
Is this a pond?
Cracking. Who is that?
What is that?
Who are you?
That's so fucking
Who
crazy.
are you?
Wait, there's two Maddies also.
Who it? Who are you?
Is that Connor Dobson? I don't think so.
Oh, never mind. Okay, it's kind
I don't know who you
Dude,
are.
it's
Can you?
over
It's fucking creepy.
No,
I
it's
don't
not.
say let's go meet friends. No.
No, why is she saying Maddie?
And there's two Maddies, which makes it even creepier.
She's exactly.
What do you expect?
Who are you?
Who are you? We have a mystery. You're so creepy. Oh my goodness, can you go towards them?
It's really
That's
weird.
having creepy, right?
Random people are saying our names.
Oh! Saying me and her name.
Let's spin. Wow.
Maddie, come see who that is.
Alright, I'll come with you. We're gonna go investigate and see who that strange person calling our name is. Are we on this? We're not.
No, I don't know if we're on the ice or not.
I don't think so. I really don't think so. Walking through the snow. Here, let's go this way. Ooh. Sugar plums.
No, we're not on the ice.
Okay, let's go through here. Oh, crap. Huh. What are you
I
doing?
just slipped.
Oh, that's fun.
Dude, this is so cool. The kid was like breaking twigs.
Who is that?
Who is that?
I don't know. Who? Can you go check farther? Go. They're throwing snowballs at us.
How does he know who we are?
You guys, she broke the ice.
That's really creepy.
That's the whole lake. It's only that deep. It's only that deep. You guys like, oh my god, don't let me.
Cassie just
No,
bit
I
the
want to know
tree.
who that kid is because I think I know who he is.
Ow.
I think this one's actually you. But I think that's how he
Ow, my
is.
hair got stuck in the-
We're free. We're free. So I've reached the sled. Now I gotta get off this tree because Cassidy tied it. And then we'll do a little sledding, I guess. Alright, I got it. Let's go. Whatever. Alright, let's go. Sorry, I'm getting my camera. I'm using my iPhone. We got the sled. Sled. Who wants to drag it around?
I do.
Like someone pull. I'll go on it.
Get it.
Give me a camera.
Oh, God. Well, wait, can't both of you pull it like giraffe?
Oh, we're such losers. Carry the platypus.
Oh, no, that's... Jeez, what'd you step in? My Uggs are soaked.
It's snow.
Yeah, but like, why are they soaked all the way up to our knees?
Because we were on the lake.